So I came in and I had, I would say very little life direction, little ambition, little passion, and I just kind of like was very complacent with my life. And so I had put basically a belief system on me that was very limiting and didn't allow me to be proud of myself and what I've accomplished in my life. And basically through this workshop, I've been able to remove those barriers and express myself more freely, which leads to more love, more passion, and just a higher ability to dream and to kind of go further and do more amazing things in life.
I've been on anti-anxiety medication for probably about 17 years, and everything seemed so hard, and stepping outside of my very limited circle of life just seemed far too hard to do. So I've spent many years extremely unhappy, feeling so depressed, and feeling like there was no way to change anything about my life. And my daughter Danielle has been here twice, and each time she's come home she's made amazing changes in her own life. And the last time she came home, she talked to me about some truths about the way I am, and it really touched me, and it really made me realize that if I don't do something about the way I live my life, then I'll be living the same way when I'm older. So I realized that I needed to come and I needed to learn that I'm okay, and that I've been given tools to know that I can make choices in my life, and that everything is exactly as it should be, and it's not about my position, it's my direction. And so I'm going to constantly move forward and make choices that are going to make me happy. And yeah, so it's all new for me, but yeah, I already feel so good and so happy, and just a weight lifted off my shoulder. Yeah. So. And
truly inspirational, because she's been here drug-free the whole time.
Yeah, I've been off my
hasn't
medication.
Been on any anti-anxiety pills, so she hasn't needed them. Because
and I hopped up and sang in front of people. She
sang in front of all of us, and you know,
never have done. Yeah. I didn't even see people at home, so it's been a huge journey for me.
Now she's got new friends, new family.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So I'm also here because of Lauren. So my daughter came here, and she came home, and she just told me her truths, and I was just devastated that I'd just spent my entire life creating this life that, you know, I thought was safe and the best schools and the best of everything, and it wasn't. It was just like a total twist of reality, because I wasn't happy inside. And you know, now I've learned that, you know, if I truly trust myself, I can be happy, and my children will benefit from that, and you know, have a full life. So yeah, it's good, and it's great we had each other as well, because we're the same age, you know, same age group, same children, and yeah, so we were able to support each other after this as well. So stick on that path. It's been really great.
Mickey showed us that everything is our choice. So then after a while, after some tests, which we passed them, like we just chose to be with each other and just to be in love and feel the love and just get married.
It took me the whole workshop, like 10 days, to figure out that I'm very abstract in everything I do, and I don't make any choice. And I thought that was ridiculous when I got that like diagnosis or from Mickey's, but then I realized more and more in every aspect of my life, it's just so random, everything. And it just like pushed me into actually understand this. And for everyone else who was watching me, they were like, it's so obvious your issues, but because I've been in my issues for so long, I can't see them. But in the end, I realized, and now, yeah, I'm so determined of having choices in my life and really be determined with my goals.
I feel like I reborn again. My body just started moving without having the control.
In the beginning, he has a really mean face, an angry face, and like after the ceremony, like he was just like a kid and shy,
hugging everyone.
His face was
light up. It was like a totally different person. And with Nicolette the same. Like when
like a little
Nicolette
girl.
like connected with his little girl, like she was just like a little girl, just jiggling around,
Smiling, giggling, shaking my legs.
Yeah.
I asked Danielle when she came home, I said, what's it like and what happens? And she was like, Mum, I really can't explain it. So you really have to go. And she said, it's going to be hard.
It was hard.
And for me, she said, don't quit.
Yeah.
Because that's one of my tricks. To quit things. And it's amazing. Just come.
And it's not normal at all, is it? It's
Yeah,
like
it's
really
so out of my
radical
comfort
and out there,
zone.
but you just
Yeah.
have to trust. If we can do it, then everybody else
Yeah.
can do it. And it's
Exactly.
worth it. It's worth the sweat, the tears. I don't think I've ever cried so much and laughed so much in the space of, 12 days.
7 days, I know. It's amazing.
Yeah. It's been great.
Yeah.
I would recommend this to literally every person I know in my life, in the world. It's the most, it was literally the most profound experience I've ever had, and I think that everybody should have it. And if you're even thinking about coming, just stop mind fucking and just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Yeah.
Just do it.
That's the-
Yeah.